Hello, so I'm here to teach you how to copy your post link for Instagram views or Instagram likes order. So we want to search for Instagram views or Instagram likes depending on what order we want to place. So let's just assume we're going to use Instagram likes. So we'll choose our service, the one we want. Then the next thing is to add our link. So we have to go to Instagram to search for the post we want to add likes to. So we are going to use one of our contents. So let's use that. Then we'll tap on the top right. Then we'll tap on copy link. Link has been copied. We have to go back to Cloud to paste the link. Then that's all. We'll just paste the quantity, we'll input the quantity, then submit to place the order. Thank you very much.